So let's try playing with the if statement today. So I'm going to open a blank Xcode, and I'm going to open a playground here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type some if statement, and let's see if it works out. So if statement is really useful while programming, and this is the most basic of the if statements I will use. And further to this, I'll also try to put in a switch case, which is very similar to a statement, but if you have multiple values you can use it because you don't have to type the if repeatedly. So let's say if let's open a var first. Let's remove this. Okay, so let's say var, and I'm going to say x, okay, equals I love the USA, right? And no, let me just say something else. Let's say Donald. Okay, so if I'm going to say that if x equals, and here you have to use double equals and put the same value there, Donald, then, and now you have to put it's very similar to Python, but you have to put the curly braces and say print I love the USA. And else, if you want, you can put another statement here, else and say I still love the USA. So if the value of x is equal to the variable above, then I would say I love USA. And if its value is not equal to the value above, then I'll say I still love the USA. Now if you notice, it's saying I still love USA because the value is not exactly similar, because I've given a space here. So I'll remove the space and you will see that it suddenly turns into the first parameter. So it checks this particular parameter. If this is right, then it prints it. Otherwise, if this second one is right, it prints it. So it's very simple in case of Swift.